going on? This is Chanel with Catch More Kids, and right now we want to shout out the Carolina Inquirer, always putting out the hot stuff about what's going on in the community. And thank you, because it does take a community to do our part. We all have to do something. So thank you, Carolina Inquirer.
Yeah, people ask me, what are you trying to do? And I'm like, I'm just being myself. I'm just doing my part, because people complain that our kids wilding out, they not changing. But I'm like, yo, if you want to do something different, you want to see something different, do something different. If they don't change, you change.
You want to change the world? Gotta start with you. It's Chanel and General calling all the truth. We don't speak about it, this is what we do. Time to stand up, so just salute. You want to change the world? Gotta start with you. It's Chanel the General calling all the truth. We don't speak about it, this is what we do. Time to stand up, so just salute. Call me Chanel the General, time to stand up, soldier. Pull your bootstraps up, put your new packs up. Yeah, bro, we know you stacked up. Gat it up, wow, wow, yada, yada. Even Tupac got stuck. Get out my lane, dog, I'm trying to save a future. You steady leading them astray, so I gotta mute ya. I see you got potential, so I might recruit you. Put you on a team with my sharpshooters, my school tutors. Got comrades true to me, and truthfully I redirect the negative beautifully. Active in my community, setting a new example for kids of what it's cool to be. And I'ma take it to the limit. With a flow so incredible, it might make you grimace like you've been sucking on a whole bag of yellow lemon. Can't touch the General.